Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hopefully you are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Salman Mahmud and today I'm back with the English sounds topic part 2. In the previous video I've told you that there are 44 sounds in English, and in previous video I have told about only 22 sounds, and in this video I'm going to tell about the other 22 sounds. And you can see I'm in a very nice weather, flowers behind me, and also in front of me you see trees and flowers. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, in previous video we have learned these words. Haven't you seen the video? If you haven't, then check the description, it will be there. Check it out. Now in today's video we are going to learn some new sounds from words. Now, why the keyboard is appearing? Ear. It's ear. It's ear. Here. So ear. It's here. H-E-R-E. Then wait. Wait. What is the new sound here? So we've learned 25 sounds. Next. Bed. Bed. Is the new sound here. Bed. The next would be quite a few tough for you. Can you guess? Well, it's teacher. T and sh sound makes ch. And this next is a teacher. I've learned 28. The next. This word is quite a few like free, you can say, but it sounds like bird. 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 The next. Door. Americans call it door, but British call it door. We've learned 30 sounds. The next. T and oo. Tool. T and oo. Tool. T we've learned, and it's oo. Tool. Then but was previous. Oi is the new sound. Oi. Boy. The next. This sound is up. You can easily understand this. The next. Far. American call it far, but the British call it far. We've learned what? Oh, we've learned far, and is the new sound. The next. On. This sound is aw. And the sound is n. We have already learned n, and aw is the new sound. So on. Can you guess what is it? It's d. It's j. D and j sound makes j. and O, O and L. Joel, Joel. So, J, we've learned J and O. Two more sounds we've learned, and remaining maybe 7 sounds remaining, right? It's bigger than any other. It's television. Television. So, V is the new sound. J is the new sound. J. In previous word we've learned about J. It's D and J makes J. But it's lonely, it's J. So we've learned 39. Then the, it's the, O, Z, those, the, O, Z, those. 3 sounds we've learned, 42 sounds. Remaining only 2. The next, it's yes. We have learned yes sound. No, we haven't learned yes sound. But in ABCs and IPA we have learned U, ya, U, that's ya. And here is the new sound here. Ya, s, yes. The next, but last, but not the least, it's red. It's these words, IPA symbol and spelling is same to same. R, d, red. R is the new sound. American don't pronounce R, but here is a thing I must have to say to you. If there is a vowel sound after the R, it would be pronounced red. R, d, red. So we have learned 44 sounds, and now we are going to make a review on this. We have learned A sounds. In this video we have learned H, I, W, E, Ch, O, this not A, this O. Then U, Oi, A, O, J, O, V, J, D, O, Y, and R. Take screenshot just, and yeah, we're finished maybe. Yes, we're finished. So take a screenshot, and thanks everyone for listening to my topic patiently. Hope you enjoyed, and all the best. Take care. I'll be back with another presentation. Till then.